Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XLM. Almost 1 day ago, I shared a video with you when I was showing you that Bitcoin broke down the support of an up channel and Stellar was rejected by the resistance of a down channel and it was moving to test the support. And this was the video. Now, if we take a look at the live Bitcoin charts first, then here you can see that after the breakdown, it was dropped down at this support, a very critical support of $92,000. I was telling you that this level had been previously breaking as a very strong support here for several days. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here. Therefore, again, it can break as a support. And you can see that after getting bounced from the support of $92,000, the price line tried to re-enter the same channel that is broken down, but got rejected by its previous support of the channel that is now working as a resistance for the price line of Bitcoin. And after the rejection, the price line is again dropping down to this support of $92,000. For example, if Bitcoin breaks down this support, then it can hit the target for the breakdown from this channel that is here at the bottom of the channel at $85,000. And over there, we have another support. You can see that previously this level also has been breaking as a support as well. And for example, if the price breaks down this support of $85,000, then it can test this level. That was the previous high of the rally that was at $73,600 that can now work as a support for the price line of Bitcoin. On the other hand, if we take a look at this Teller's chart, this is the daily time frame chart, then you can see that once again it is bounced from the support of this channel. And after this bounce, it is still moving between their support and resistance of this channel. For example, if Bitcoin moves more down, breaks down the next support of $92,000 and drops down here at this support of $85,000 to hit the target for this breakdown, then Stellar can also test this long-term support that starts from this is a complete support zone, by the way. That starts from $27,000 and goes to 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term a falling wedge pattern as well. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. That was a quite long-term trade signal that Stellar formed on a monthly time frame chart. This harmonic bullish reverse guard pattern. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup a book of meme, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 9th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the long-term trade signal for not for Bitcoin, for Stellar that I shared on 29th of May 2022 with my members. And that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal, Gartley pattern that Stellar found on a monthly time frame chart. And you can see when I shared the signal at that time, the price was moving approximately at 12 cents, 12.7 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has pumped very well. And so far, it has rallied almost more than 400%. And by the way, the sell target that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley was starting from 42.3 cents and goes to 66.81 cents. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin first. And here you can see that we have already broken down the support of this up channel. By the way, we broke down the support here on 20th of December. Then the price then bounced very well from this very strong support of 92 cents. It had been previously working as a very strong support here for several days. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. And now again, it is working as a nice support. In case of breaking down the support, we may see that the Bitcoin may hit the target for the breakdown from this up channel. That technical target is here at the bottom of the channel at $85,000. And over there, we also have the support as well. And by the way, if it breaks down the support of $85,000, then it can drop down to the next long-term support here at $73,600. That is the highest price of this recent rally, this rally, and the price line was rejected by this resistance. Therefore, this resistance can be now flipped into a support for the price line of Bitcoin. Now, if you take a look at the Stellar's chart, then here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that it is moving inside this down channel. Previously, I was showing this move as a bull flag, but now the price line has retraced more than 0.382, and it is now retraced up to even here, very close to the golden pocket. When it was touching this level here, it was moved up. Therefore, this is now a down channel, not a bull flag. Bull flag is now invalidated. However, this is a bullish bias pattern. And while moving inside this channel, it is possible that we may move more down. However, eventually the pricing can break out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. And for example, if Bitcoin hits this support of $85,000, then there is a probability that Bitcoin may also hit this support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been working as a very strong resistance zone here, and support zone here, and support zone here. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support zone. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently here it was also working as a resistance zone for a few days. Now, if the price line breaks out this channel, then technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 63 or 64 cents. And now let me to show you the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect the target, the technical target for this breakout here at the top of the wedge. That was somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And now you can see that the price line is almost about to hit that target. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.